this video, I will show you how to set a stop loss limit on Gate.io. So from your home tab or any other tab, go ahead and click on Futures. And in here, we can see a screen where we can apply stop loss limits. So as you can see at the top, it is right now set to limit. And once you click on this, you can basically select limit, market conditional, advanced limit, chase limit, and other limits. So in this tutorial, I'm just going with the normal limit. And as you can see, we can select a price down below. And we can also select a percentage of the amount of crypto that you have. So right now it is set to BTC USDT, as you can see. And you can also change this once you click on the arrow down at the top. So I'm going to keep it on BTC USDT because I'm going to show you how you need to set this limit. And in this account, I do not have BTC USDT, but I'm going to show you how you can do this anyway. Let's say you want to set a limit to 83,000 USDT, and then we're going to change this to USDT value, and then we need to do it again. So let's say 83,000, then you're going to click on done, and now you can go ahead and buy it or sell it. But if you want to set a limit, then you will probably have an option just down below that is saying set stop loss limit. So that is how you do it. It's pretty easy. Once you make this amount higher, then you are also able to set a buy limit. There is also an option to set a risk limit. You can do that when you click on the three dots at the top right. And then from here, we're going to click on risk limit. And once you do that, you can basically manage the risks of your investment. So you can do that by adjusting the risk limit in here. You can select margins and percentages and maximum levels of leverage. And if you want to finalize this, you're going to click on confirm all the way at the bottom. So I think I told you everything about setting limits in Gate.io, especially the stop loss limit. And again, you can do that by basically selecting an amount in here. And once you have enough funds, you will see an option to set this stop limit. So it's really easy and straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.